Maybe the 1 bedroom done already.
They must say they don't have none.
Yeah.
Alright, then go ahead.
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and I'm here with my Jamaican brother, helping him to find a 1 bedroom.
Straight up.
Up one, no 2.
No,
we now do 2.
Fire. You see that 1 few and 3.
Yeah, family, so we're there in the Ruaka area, and we are run through and we are looking for some place. We just check a place right now. I'm saying them only have 2 bedroom, right?
2 bedroom.
And it's going for 50,000 Kenyan shillings. So I want to show you guys 50. That's like 300 US.
Yeah, maybe you guys can see inside and see if you like it. It's a nice place though.
Yeah,
you can do your Airbnb here, so that you don't have to leave here if you don't want. You can get the place. You can set up for Airbnb because the Airbnb market is very high.
Yeah.
Always book, like 90% books.
Alright, tell the guys that you have somebody interested and they want to look at it.
Yeah, so we can show the people.
So we can show them what's up.
Alright,
let's do that. Let's do that, family. So this is what the building look like from outside. That's the road right there. Wow, it's nice.
all occupied, everything is booked out. How many apartments are here in total? 40 apartments.
And there's none for rent?
Booked out.
Eh?
Unless you come at the end of the month.
Okay, you have a number I can contact. I'll contact you.
Yeah.
Let me get your number. So I'll contact you in a month. Okay. Yeah. Alright, cool. Okay. So you guys have empty apartments there though? Not right now.
Yeah.
But next month you will have.
You see, it's already booked out. Chop, fast. You need to go get your apartments now.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So, you know, I try to show you guys inside. But if you're interested, to link up with Jam Tours. And hopefully when you come in the country, something might be here for you. But there's a lot of apartment coming up, as you can see. So much coming up. Yeah. Yeah, Ricardo. Respect my brother. One love.
What is that?
Mambo Jumbo. Oh, not today. Oh, so it look like maybe people still are buying or something.
Buy out already.
Yeah.
Sell out.
So okay, sell out.
Everything sell out, everything book out.
So then waiting for now people who buy or go rent. So then waiting for that now for people who buy.
No, man, I tell them I want to buy an apartment there.
Yeah,
he said already sold, everything sold out. 40 apartment sold out.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
So then waiting on the landlord then now to put out the rent.
Yes. No, it's already put out, it's booked out. So he said that the apartments are fully full. So right now one person is supposed to move out. So that one's going to be available. So if you're lucky enough, someone can get it.
Alright, family. So you're watching the video. If you're coming to Kenya, link up with Jam Tours. You can,
Jam Tours!
Africa.
It's a hot tour.
So you experienced Jam Tour so far. Where you like, like first time you link up with Jam Tours. What's the experience? Yeah.
Yeah, well, Yardi is a Jamaican island guy. So the first time I link up with you is a great feeling. The spiritual feeling, the connection, the mutual understanding. Everything was good. You understand? You have an off feeling. You never feel like you're a scammer. You never feel like you're a girl on the body.
Yeah. Everything
is mutual, natural, like that.
Yeah.
You have a good connection.
Yeah.
And not just me, but a lot of other people that you connect with and say, yo, good you, it's not a good guy. So Jam Tour the right person for you guys to trust. If you come here because he's a diaspora, just like you.
Yeah, for real.
You have to link with someone who can understand you.
Yeah.
And then you make other connections, other network. Network with someone that understand you physically, mentally, spiritually. before you link with anyone else. You might get scammed, you might get robbed.
Yeah,
I'm not saying everyone is the same, but it's good for link up with other diaspora to figure out how we get stuff done here. And then you can make friends with everyone else. Jam tour.
Yeah man, we out. Jam tour. We are tour out Africa.
Yeah,
Don't
man.
watch us. Join us. We are
Straight
out.
up. So
Yeah, my people. So my Jamaican brothers, them see some nice sneakers and shoes. So you want to go look. So let me go out. I'm going to hear what I say. Let me go out there.
how much for your shoes, the sneakers?
How much for this one?
2,000?
4,500 Kenyan shillings.
Yeah? How much for this one? Show up on the camera because.
2,000.
3,800.
If you come and come get a sneakers then man, them have nice even that the loafers them. Look nice one, nice loafers. How much for this one? 2,000.
How much for this? 4,000?
This
My
one?
size?
4,000.
Yeah, 4,000.
See there?
Did.
4,000 Kenyan
Nice
shillings.
nice shoe shop man.
Yeah.
When we come and get some sneakers. Even this one, I'm going to pay for this online. Online, no buy this and never look like this.
Camel figure.
It never look like that like this.
You must say? 4,000.
Nice
What
looking
size
blue
have
one.
this? 12? Yeah.
Oh, you have my size at 12. Where you have 12?
Yeah. We're Jamaican, so
You look like you never have 12.
like you need to have 12.
Yeah.
Not
What
clear.
else have inside there? Please?
You know Kenyan foot small already. Kenyan.
Yeah.
And at 12 me wear just like my brother. Look at that one there. It's nice. Look at that Timberland.
Nike and my shoes. Like
You know have this in a 12.
Yeah, that's in 12. Yo, that nice, you know.
Hey, nice one. What you have our size? What you have in 12? Show me what you have
Yeah,
in
we have
12.
the big size. Big shoe.
Big.
Kenya stands for baby
11, yeah.
Alkaline.
You have 11 and
11.
a half.
11.
Yeah.
For now,
Yeah.
what I have, maybe 10 and a half.
Not too small.
Where's them now? Nothing in a 12.
No, just 10 and a half. So for people who want shoes, you have small feet, not big foot like ours. Because we're Jamaicans, so you know everything has to be big. So, if you want small foot, you have like 10, 9, 6, 8, whatever you want. But if you want bigger shoes, you can always come back or you can go to the mall or
Yeah.
downtown.
What size
You
this?
can get a good price.
Big. Small still.
Yeah. So think about it. You come here with like 1,000 US to vacation. And you just
Yeah.
want to spend like a month, want to get some gears.
Yeah.
You don't have to go to America, Canada, England.
And this is like for like 25 US.
Yeah.
Blood clot.
Yeah, I'm telling you, you get a nice shoes for your foot. You're looking good, swagging. The girls them like it. The guys them like
Yeah,
it.
even this is like a real Puma. Yeah, where you get your shoes them from?
What country the shoes from?
What? Within Vietnam and
Vietnam. Yeah, real
I
thing.
don't want to
Yeah.
hear nothing more. Yo,
Where's
look at
that?
this.
Vietnam?
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah.
Come in
And this
nice
is
so
for how
people
much?
can
How much
see.
for this one?
How much for this one? Huh?
4,000. Blood clot. No shoes that's gonna cost 30 US.
Plastic, brand new. You can still get it in box if you want. But you know shipping here in the box take up a lot of space. So you have to get them like in the barrel.
Okay, come there,
Here, come.
Ricardo.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yo,
Alright, it now come with a turn off.
Yeah, more
It's a
size.
turn off.
Yeah.
Well, if you have my size, trust me, would I buy something? Because, trust me. The price them cheap, man. Jamaica, all of them shoes are 8,000, 10,000, you know.
Jamaica right now. Better worship
tell
that.
Yo,
Worship
that's
shoes.
a good price. Trust me.
Yes, they can come and buy.
Imagine you have 25 years, you can get a shoes like that. 30
You can come with 100 US dollar. You can get 3 shoes, 4 shoes, 5 shoes, 6 shoes, 100 US dollar. You know, so if you're coming with family and you have kids, it's easy for you to support them.
Yeah,
And you can take 100 US and buy shoes for the kids, just for the kids.
Just for the kids, yeah.
So each person can get 2 or 3 sneakers. You don't have to worry about buying sneakers again to go to school or to go out. You take care of them for the year. So it costs less. You budget properly. The thing about coming to Kenya, Africa overall, it doesn't matter where you're going, you got to budget. Budget, budget, budget. And come with a plan because you got to know what you're doing. So always keep that in mind.
Yeah, family, so let's go. Let's go on our end then because
Yeah, man.
it's like this is a dead end.
Yeah man, I tell you, say, yo, emergency move, can't stop.
Alright, let's go.